Maybe you should.
That's fine. That's the angle?
Thank you for coming out this morning. Appreciate you taking your time on a Bill's Sunday in this fall-like Western New York weather. I'm Bob Rohauer. I'm with CSX Railroad. I'll be the MC today throughout our morning's events. I'd just like to again thank you for joining us and what we're about to witness here. Phil will remind me always to let you know that it's the hashtag Stop Track Tragedies, which is very difficult to say at times, and our mock crash for safety. So it's a wonderful event. We're really looking forward to seeing this unfold here this morning in the next few hours. So at this time, we have several speakers that we would like to have come up and say a few words, and leading that will be Melanie Boyer. Melanie is the president of New York Operation Lifesaver, our statewide rail safety education program, and she's been very instrumental in our leadership of the board and the program in general throughout her tenure, which has been, several years now as the president. And Melanie has volunteered her time to lead that program, and again, let's welcome Melanie.
Our mission is to stop track tragedies. Every tragedy affects a family and the railroad.
And also a big thank you
involved.
goes out to the folks at CalSpan. They're the ones that provided the dummies and the cameras and all of the sensors and everything. Great job. Our CalSpan folks, are you over? If you're there, make yourself known. Again, we really appreciate all of that you've done to help us get as much out of this event as we possibly can. There's a lot that's coming out of it. It's just not hit a vehicle and go home. There's a lot of other things that we're going to get as a benefit of doing this collision today. One more quick thank you to Universal Engine, again, for their towing services. They brought the vehicle over to CalSpan when town made it available. They prepped the vehicle for us, and then of course town brought it out here and dropped it off so we could position it for the crash. So thank you to everyone. I appreciate all that has been involved to this point. The list is lengthy, and we'll cover it a little bit more as the day goes on.
Train doesn't typically leave the track, so it's mostly a pedestrian or a vehicle's actions that are at fault, and that's why we're here doing this training. See behind me the car on the tracks, that would be definitive to an actual collision happening. But we have a lot of kids, we have a lot of people that walk tracks, and I guess it's more of a thing to push out to parents and children, say, make sure you talk to your kids while walking on the tracks. The train wins 100% of the time.
There she goes.
Yeah, is it moving?
Yeah, stand back. Stand back. Yeah. You guys should stand back. This is pretty cool.
stays clear of the vehicle until we can render it safe. Please, everyone, remain in the safe area until we know that it's okay to approach.
Oh, yeah, that's actually probably one of the slowest ones I've ever been.
That's what I told her.
Is Railpace going to do like an article or a magazine?
I already got one written up for it.
Already? That gives them an excuse to speed it.